Hello and welcome to my channel. I am sin²xdx. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and if you're not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to build the mathematics community. In this lesson, we are going to integrate powers of trigonometric functions, and we will be integrating even powers of trigonometric functions, and we will concentrate on even powers of sine function. So we are going to look at the integral of sine² of x dx, and then the integral of sine to the power 4 of x dx, and the integral of sine to the power 6 of x dx. Wow! We are going to do this simply using the reduction formula for sine of x to the power n, or the integral of sine to the power n of x dx. So the integral of sine to the power n of x dx is equal to negative cosine of x times sine of x to the power n minus 1, all divided by n, plus n minus 1 divided by n times the integral sine to the power n minus 2 of x dx. Please check the description for the proof of this formula, because I've proved this formula in the description. So check the description and go and watch the video to improve your understanding. Just check the description. Remember to subscribe, share, leave your comments for us to build a mathematics community. Very simple as that. Now let's go back to the business. Now this is the business now. So how do we do it? For the first one, therefore n to be equal to 2. So let's do it simple. So here we're going to have the integral sin² of x dx. Using n equal to 2, we are having minus cosine of x sine of x divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 times the integral sine of x to the power 0 dx. Remember that sine to the power n minus 2 of x is equal to sine of x all to the power n minus 2. So here, if n is equal to 2, you put here 2 minus 2 will be 0. So what do we get? Sine of x to the power 0 is 1, and 1 times dx is also dx. So here we are going to put here dx. And what is the integral of dx? The integral of dx is simply x. So this one also will go, and we put here x, then we plug plus c. That is the integral constant. Now let's take it for the integral of sine x to the power 4 of x dx. So the integral of sine to the power 4 of x dx, taking n equal to 4, we have minus cosine of x sin³ of x divided by 4. Because here, if we take 1 from 4, we get 3. Plus 3 on 4 times the integral sin² of x dx. Wow. And this is very simple because we've already done the integral of sin² of x dx, and this is our answer. So this will now be equal to minus cosine of x times sin³ of x to the divided by 4. So here, in place of the integral of sin² of x, we are going to put the whole of this right here and multiply it by 3 out of 4. So let's do the multiplication. 3 out of 4 times this will give us minus 3 on 8 cosine of x sine of x. The minus 3 on 4 times half of x will give us plus 3 on 8 times x plus 3 on 4 times c. Wow. Now, since we are using the integral of sine squared of x to find the integral of sine to the power 4 of x dx, let's make this one c1, so that this one be 3/4 of c1. And what do we have? A constant times a constant is still a constant. So 3/4 times c1 will still be c. That is a constant. And this is the integral of sine to the power 4 of x dx. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, like my videos, and also share for other colleagues to enjoy this amazing lesson. Now, I said that since we are using this one to work this, let's make this one c1. But if we were to solve for only this, there's no need making this one c1, right? Okay, that's good. Now, let's go to the integral of sine to the power 6 of x dx. Now, this will give us minus cosine of x sine to the power 5 of x divided by 6 plus 5 on 6 times the integral sine to the power 4 of x dx. Thank God it's Friday. So thank God we have the integral of sine to the power 4 of x dx on the board. So we put this as minus cosine of x sine to the power 5 of x all divided by 6. So since we have the integral of sine to the power 4 of x dx here, we are going to multiply 5 out of 6 by that. So now again, since we are using this one, that is the integral of sine to the power 4 of x dx, to solve the integral of sine to the power 6 of x, let's make this one c2. Why am I making it c2? I've made this one c1, so let's make this one c2, right? That's good. So 5 on 6 times negative cosine of x times sine cube of x divided by 4 will give me minus 5 on 24 times cosine of x times sine cube of x. And 5 on 6 times minus 3 on 8 will give me minus 5 out of 16 times cosine of x times sine of x. And 5 on 6 times 3 on 8 times x will give me plus 5 on 16 times x. And 5 on 6 times c2 will give me plus 5 on 6 c2. And here, a constant times a constant is still a constant. So I'm putting here c. And that is the integral of sine to the power 6 of x dx. If you want the integral sine to the power 8 of x dx, just expand it and write it as minus cosine of x sine to the power 7 of x divided by 8 plus 7 on 8 times the integral sine to the power 6 of x dx. So here, you put the whole of this one here, and this one, you name this one as C3. Since you are going to use this to solve this. So do this one and leave your answer at the comment section. I love you. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments. Bye-bye.